I will make America great again, said Donald Trump. And I will make digital marketers great again, said who? Said me. Well, in this video, we talk about how to create content that's going to get a lot of likes, shares, and comments, right? The number one issue that most social media managers or digital marketers face is, what do I put out as far as content is concerned on social media? How do I churn out great content time and again? And in this video, I'll give you a simple but really powerful formula to create content that'll get a lot of engagement, right? So the simple formula, as you may have noticed in the title itself, is to pick topics that automatically get engagement. Now, the easiest way to find all the hot trending topics is to go to Facebook. That I'm sure if you're watching this, you absolutely may have a Facebook profile. So go to your Facebook page, look at the trending section, see what's trending today in sports, as far as celebrities are concerned, as far as politicians are concerned, and pick that topic and talk about it. Now, the big mistake people do when they pick trending topic to talk about on their Facebook page is they just pick a generalized topic and they post it on their page. Like, for example, a lot of business and entrepreneurship coaching pages talk about Steve Jobs, put up his picture and put up his quote. How does that freaking help you? People may come like the post and you may get a few likes and comments, but then people are talking about jobs. They're not talking about your brand. So when you pick things which are popular or trending, you always want to give it your own voice. For example, if I talk about Donald Trump, right, I just don't want to talk about Trump and make Trump more famous. Of course, he doesn't need my fame because he's already way too famous, but I'm just pushing his fame ahead by sharing his content verbatim. I want to pick something that he recently said, which is controversial, and give it my voice. For example, if he said that, XYZ person sucks. So maybe I may come out and say that XYZ sucks. I agree with Trump, but we should also give XYZ a chance. Or I could come out and say that Trump is absolutely wrong. He's horribly wrong in this context, and XYZ doesn't suck. In fact, he is super awesome, right? So I picked up a topic which is already trending, already controversial, already something that people are talking about, and I gave it my spin. So now when my audience reacts to something that's controversial and popular, they would also hear my voice. And they will also see my opinion on that topic, and they may start engaging with me and debating with me or discussing with me on that particular topic, instead of just talking about Trump, giving it a like and commenting Trump is awesome or Trump is bad or Trump is a negative comment, right? So that's what you want to do when you are putting out content on social media. So pick up some topic from sports. Let's say I could just create a topic which is how does Virat Kohli managed to be so successful and how you can apply his formula in digital marketing, or 7 secrets from Sachin Tendulkar to adopt in your digital marketing campaigns. So these are things we typically want to put out. Pick topics for social media, pick topics that are trending and give it your voice, and you can easily generate a lot of engagement. Now, I know you may have a question that, hey, when I post all these when I post this content on Facebook, I hardly get any engagement, right? In this video, I spoke about how do you pick topics that have the potential of generating engagement, but distribution is a completely different formula. When you create content, it also needs distribution, it also needs promotion. So the distribution part comes in another video because Facebook's organic reach is bad. So we'll talk about that in yet another video. But in this video, I gave you a framework. So if you are unable to create content that's getting engagement, or if you're unable to come up with ideas, make sure go to the trending part, talk about the topic and give it your own voice, right? Really popular things to pick from. So what a rickshawala taught me about becoming a digital marketer. So rickshawalas are very popular in Mumbai. I don't know about the rest of the India. So once you talk about them, it generates that curiosity, and then you could just give it your own voice and spin. So I hope this video helps you create content that's going to get more engagement for you. While I have my coffee, I hope you go to your Facebook page, pick the trending topics and Put some content out that's going to get engagement while you have your coffee. Cheers. Bye bye.